friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to talk about our soul sampler box that came in the mail for September of 2025. And so this is what our box featured this month, beads and braids. Okay, first off, in this little leaflet right here that comes in every box, there is a coupon here that lets you get some discount for some paper piecing item. And right here, they're talking about the upcoming sew along for the Social Life 3. And then this is the free pattern alternative for this month fabric. Should you not like to use the exclusive pattern or want to sew with the exclusive pattern that came in this month's box, you can use this pattern right here, and it is free. And you can use this QR code right here to find out about the free sew along that's going to be coming up in the next month for Social Life 3. So that's that. This is kind of like a description of the item, including the price or what it is worth. That's what's in here. The first thing in our box that I'm going to get out is this lovely Sim Reaper right here. Who doesn't need a Sim Ripper? And in pink. I'm thinking this is exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop because it is pink, either pink or aqua, but I'm glad it came in pink. So this is a Clover Sim Ripper. I'm looking right here. It says Fat Quarter Shop exclusive and Soul Sampler subscribers get it first. So this is a Sim Ripper. I am not going to go too much into detail about this because it only does one thing, rip your mistake. So there you go. The price for this right here is $5.48. The next thing in our box is this right here. This is the Quilt project book, and it's exclusive from Fat Quarter Shop. And so let me open it. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna open it. So it says project right here. You can list all of your endless amount of project over here on this very first page, and then the second page, and then the third page. Over here is where you will list your current project or ongoing project, or kind of keep track of what you worked on. For example, I think I'm going to start this in 2026 because it's already September of 2025. I kind of want to keep track of what I worked on starting January of next year, because a lot of time I make a project and I give it away. I don't write it down. I do label it, but I don't write it down. So I'm going to start writing it down so that way I can keep track of what I worked on. The price for this project book right here is $13.98. Our next thing is this right here. It's the 5-inch jelly braid paper. This is the 5-inch version. They also have it in a 9-inch. It's just like the triangle on a roll paper. It just says 5-inch jelly braid paper right here. The price for this is $16.98. It keeps you accurate. That's that right there. Our next item. This is our flowering quilt along that we are sewing. I'm doing a tutorial on my channel for this. I haven't posted the one for last month, but it is filmed. It will be posted shortly. This is what we're going to be sewing this month. It looks like a flower petal. I think if you want to go above and beyond, you can kind of sew like a nice little flower petal right here that is the same size as the block, and then you will have yourself a little wall hanging. So that's that. The price for this pattern is $4.98. This is our exclusive pattern for this month. You kind of have everything you need to make this pattern right here, except for your background. This is a table runner, and this table runner is 21 by 52. The only thing you'll be supplying from your stash for this pattern is the background and binding, and then you already have the paper right here, and then you are going to use this junior jelly roll right here. This is our junior jelly roll for this month. It's Sun Drench by Sweet Fire Road, and this is valued at $26.98. Now that brings me to the conclusion of this box. The total of everything in our box this month is $78.35. Now it doesn't look like we have a lot, but because a lot of the stuff in this box are a little bit like a higher dollar item, that's why it looks like we didn't have a lot. But the value is there. For example, this is $13 by itself, and this is $16, and then this one is $26 by itself. So the price of the box, y'all, is $29.95. Oh, and who doesn't need this? This is $5. And then you have this one. This is $9.98, and this is $4.98. And then the shipping for the box, $4.98, and then you're still gonna pay taxes depending on the state in which you are living in. With that said, I always find the value in the Soul Sampler box, and I have a love that will never die. So you may receive a box and say, oh, I don't really like this box, but if you stick around long enough, you will find out that there's a cycle. You get a box that you're like, oh my God, this is so great. And then you get a box that's like, oh wow, this is like, oh, I don't know. But all in all, I enjoyed the box. I enjoy receiving the box. I kid you not, it is like getting a present every single month. And I don't buy myself that much stuff except for fabrics. Anyways, you guys, I hope you are having a lovely day wherever you are at. This is all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I would love to see you in my next video.